Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things related to React 18 and I hope you enjoy all the things which we have done yet using React 18 and I hope you will be enjoying today's video as well because today's video will be also really helpful and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video also. So in today's video, I will be telling you how to just build an amazing project and we will be just building the project using React 18 and in this video I will be telling you what is parent-child communication in React 18 and how to use this tag to just import anything and to use it in our project. I'll be telling you, and also just remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to use this parent child communication tag in React 18. Like in the previous video we have just used hooks at a glance and event handling tag like we have just done in JavaScript. So like this, similar to JavaScript, we are getting the tags in React 18 also. So this tag is also similar to JavaScript and we also use parent child, you can say child selectors in CSS and in JavaScript also. So today we are using parent-child communication through React 18 in which you can also do the simple tags and you can also do the styling of that tag. So just this video will be really helpful and if you understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos and also just hit notification bell if you want to see more future videos coming up which I'll be uploading. And also remember to just see all my previous videos which I've done yet related to React Editing because that will giving you help if you want to learn React Editing from start to end. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to just build the project using React 18 and what is React 18 from start to end. So just like I've telling you in this video, we'll be learning about parent-child communication tag in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with that and seeing what is parent-child communication tag in React 18 and how to use it. So for using this tag, here I will be opening my VS Code. So you can see here I've opened. Now we'll be working on the same folder which we were doing in the previous videos, like app1 folder which was available on my local disk E. So this is the folder. Then I will be opening this. You can see app1 folder. Rec select folder to open this, and this is our main file which is called app.js. We'll be working on this file in today's video also, which is parent child communication. So here I will be running this by writing the command npm start. So now when you've written this command, so here you have to wait a while because it will be taking some time to running your React tab. So you can see now it is running my React tab and it will be opening my default Microsoft Edge browser. So I have to wait a while till it will be opening. So you will be getting start development server written with the bluish color you will be getting, or you can say the aqua color will be getting written here. Start development server you will be getting. So remember to download these all stuff, and this was the thing which we have done in previous video. So here I will be removing these all things because in the previous video we have learned about event handling and that was the stuff of that. So in this video I will be telling about parent child communication. So we'll be learning about that. Now you will be getting the thing like start development server. You can see now it is saying starting the development server with the aqua color. Now I will be doing it side by side because when our server will be started, so we will be getting our app here which will be totally empty. So here I've done it side by side. Now here I will be making coding side bigger and this Microsoft Edge side small. So you can see now it is starting the server on my localhost 3000 and it is saying that local http localhost 3000 is now running here, and you can see we are getting 3000 written as well. So now our browser has been running and our app is also running. So now we can start with our code. So here now I will be moving in this div tag, and after moving in this tag we have to just now start the code here which we'll be working about. So like I'm telling you, we'll be working about parent child communication tag. So here I will be moving down and importing parent directly from here. So I will be writing parent, so it has been not here. So now we have to download this library like we have just done in the previous videos, and I've telling you also how to download library. So in this video I will be also downloading the library of parent by writing npm I parent, which means that npm install parent. So now it is installing. Here you can see it is installing this library, and now here you can see it has successfully just installed this library. So it is now, you can see installed. It is saying npm audit for details, you can run that. So here I will be writing import, then you have to write here parent. So you have to write this, then you have to give a space, and then after this you have to write here from React like this, then close this. Now you have imported the parent here. Now when you import this, you have to move here, right here parent like this because we have imported. Then we are just getting parent communication, you can say parent child communication. So here I'll be writing child communication like this. Now if I save this tag here, you can see we are getting this child communication written here, and we are just getting import successfully imported. Now, like in the previous video, when we have downloaded the library from our terminal, so we are also checking in the inspect, means in the development server, like it is running perfectly or not. So I will be moving to my browser inspect, and you can see here, if I move to the sources, or you can say console, so it is giving me error, like it is saying that the tag parent is unrecognized, like we were getting in the previous video, because this browser is lower version browser, like I've telling you in the previous video also. So because of that, it is giving this error, and it is saying that if you mean to render a React component, start its name with an uppercase letter. Means it is saying that you have to start the letter, or you can say start its name with a uppercase letter. So we are just using not any of the uppercase letter to just make our tag. So because of that, it is giving error. But don't worry about that, we have imported here. Because of that, we are just importing this p small. If you have not imported this tag, and when you are using it, you are using without importing this parent, then you have to take this p capital of this open tag also, and of this close tag also. But we are importing this, so we don't need that all things. And it is also saying that react-dom.development.js 75, we are getting this warning error. So here we are just getting our child communication written, means that our project is working and this parent tag is also working. So now we have just learned about how to just use this parent child communication tag by importing it through React 18. And I hope you understand how to use this tag. So if you have understand and enjoy this video, so hit a like, because in this video I've telling you about how to import parent child communication tag and how to use it in other projects. And when we'll be working with brick projects, so I'll be telling you how to use it in project if you are just working from start to end. So just I hope you understand what is parent-child communication tag in React 18, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy understand this, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, hit notification bell for which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.